Hello, I'm Brad Johnson, creator of the Healing Code cards. I'm excited to announce the launch of our second Healing Code cards deck, known as the Mind deck. So like its predecessor, the Body deck, where it works together in detoxifying the physical body, the Mind deck works to detoxify both the mental and emotional bodies, working together with your chakra centers to bringing them into higher states of alignment, working with the physical organs, the glands, the bodily systems, also working together with additional mental functions, such as focus and concentration, such as lucid dreaming. And of course, there's even cards that include working with the youth body, actually being able to assist in reversing your age. So I'm very excited about the Mind deck. It is again just another complement of the Healing Code card technology altogether, as it works very similar as if you were to go for a really great massage, but you're feeling that energetically, or if you're going for a Reiki attunement, or if you're going for acupuncture or acupressure, you're feeling your meridians clearing, you're feeling your energy body coming to life. It's like helping you to become a blossoming flower, relating to a powerful mind and a powerful emotional body. This is the function of the Healing Code cards Mind deck. So thank you very much for your interest in the Healing Code cards. You can go to our website, healingcodecards.com, and check out everything relating to our newest deck, the Mind deck, and again looking into the contents of the cards, and you can order the digital edition now, and our printed edition is going to be coming into the new year. So I'm looking forward to that launch as well. But you can also check out the website for testimonials, video tutorials, and of course to contact us should you have any feedback or questions. Thank you again, and I look forward to speaking to you in another perspective of the now. Take care.